Which is the oldest school board in India? It's not CBSE or ICS. Which is the oldest school board in India? Answer is UP board. The UP board was established in 1921 under the United Province Legislative Council with its headquarters in Prayagraj, formerly known as Allahabad. It was the first education board in India to conduct high school class 10 and intermediate class 12 examination in a structured and regulated manner. India's formal school education system began much earlier during the British colonial period, long before CBSE and ICSE were established. On board had already laid the foundation of secondary and senior secondary education in India. Interestingly, this board not only hold the title of being the oldest school board in India but also continuing to function actively even today. Oldest board in India when it comes to school education in India, boards like the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE and Indian Certificate of Secondary Education ICSE are often considered the most prominent due to their nationwide presence and modern curriculum. Many students assume that these boards are also the oldest in the country. However, this common belief is far from the truth. The Uttar Pradesh Madhyamik Shiksha Parishad UP board, established in 1921, is the oldest school board in India. Contrary to popular beliefs, ICSE under CISCE was formed in 1958, while CBSE came into existence in 1962. This article explains the correct timeline of India major school boards in verified facts. Why is it older than CBSE and ICSE? Contrary to popular belief, both CBSE and ICSE were established several decades later. The ICSE board was formed in 1958, while the CBSE came into existence in 1962. By that time, the UP board had already been conducting board examination for more than 14 years. Important note: the Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) tracks its origin back to the Board of High School and Intermediate Education Rajputana, established in 1929. This predecessor evolved into the CBSE during the 1950 and the organization was formally reconstituted in 1962.